Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these delicious little simple treats to make. So you're going to take these Tootsie Rolls, or I guess Tootsie Roll Fruit Chews. They come in a variety of flavors all in one bag. And you can do a simple one, but I like to pair them up. So we've got a vanilla in the blue wrapper, we've got an orange in the orange wrapper, and this is what I call the creamsicle. So I like to do them the size of a Tootsie Roll so they're not too big, or a couple little bites. And so I just cut them in half. If you want to make it easier, you can microwave them for a few seconds, but really not much, otherwise they're gonna melt, you're gonna burn yourself. But I just like to do this simple, and with clean hands, the warmth of rolling them around kind of helps them mush. Now of course, if you do want to not have it be like half and half like that, but more mixed together, you can certainly blend it all the way or cut it up in a few more chunks so it's more well blended. But I don't know, I think it's kind of cute this way and fun. I don't think it matters, but that's up to you. Next up we have lime and cherry, so I call this the cherry limeade. Probably my favorite. I don't know, it's hard to say. I like them all. They're good. So these are really fun. It's a fun activity that you can do for like date night, family night, obviously supervising kids because there's knives involved, but otherwise it's a fun thing that anyone can really do, and it's simple because it's 2 ingredients. So there you go, there's my little cherry limeade. Then a couple more combinations that you can get from the bag. We've got the cherry and vanilla. So I think of this as like a cherry cordial or just vanilla cherry. And then I did a fruit trio with citrus. So citrus is my all-time favorite flavor. I love orange, lemon, lime, grapefruit. I mean, I haven't met one that I haven't liked, except for maybe kumquat. Not particularly fond of kumquat because of the texture and bitterness, and it's just weird. I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are on that, if you've ever tried a kumquat. But anyway, these are fun. I'm cutting them in thirds because, again, I don't want to make them bigger than the others. I just think that that's a good, nice bite size. So mix them up like all the others. And then you're going to take either some tempered chocolate, or if you're lazy like me, you can do almond bark or candy melts. You could even do flavored candy melts, with like a regular Tootsie Rolls and a flavored candy. I don't know. There's a lot of possibilities it can do with just 2 simple ingredients of Tootsie Rolls and chocolate. So the big thing is you don't want a pool of chocolate at the bottom. You want them just to be a nice little pop of flavor you could put in your mouth. And so make sure to shake it off, let it drain before you put it on the wax paper to cool. Once they've all had a chance to cool, it's kind of fun because it's like a mystery. What flavor am I gonna bite into? This one here, I got the cherry vanilla. But obviously, according to your effort and time and talents, I made a really simple one here, but you can decorate them. So it's like a box of chocolates. You know what you're gonna get based upon what it looks like. So I got, looks like a lemon and orange there. So fun little treat. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you make them. And I am so grateful that you stayed to watch my video. I'm getting back into YouTube. It's been several months since I've been able to make these videos, so I'm kind of pacing myself, got my busy life, but I appreciate it so much that you're here. I do have sort of a new vlog lifestyle sort of channel, so I'd love for you to check that out. It's Jenn's Lemonade Life. It'll be linked down below, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day.